Now let's disable the Windows Defender completely. Before disabling the Windows Defender, let's disable the Windows Update System. For that, we're gonna use these services, and in this service, you're gonna scroll it to the bottom and you're gonna find out the Windows Update, and in the properties of the Windows Update, set the startup type to disabled and stop if the process is running. Here I will stop the Windows Update, and after this we're gonna use the gp edit for disabling the Windows Defender. Now in the gp edit, under the administrative templates and under the Windows components, we're gonna look for the Windows Defender Antivirus, and here open the allow anti malware start service to start up with the normal priority, and we're gonna disable it. And for the turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus, we're gonna enable it. And for the other things like real-time protection, we're gonna turn off the real-time protection. We're gonna set it to enable, and for the turn on behavior monitoring, we're gonna set it to disable. For other settings that you wanna explore, for example quarantine, configure the removal of items for the quarantined folder. We're gonna set it to disable, and because this can lead us to delete removal of the malware or the files which we want to, or we want those files to allow on our system. And under the Microsoft Defender application guard, we're gonna disable the turn on Windows application guard in managed mode. And for the exploit guard, we're gonna not change these settings for this, and here we are done with the Windows Defender. So this is how you can disable your Windows Defender completely.